Oh, hey recording. How y'all doing? After about 4 hours and a video uploaded, I went to the Apple store. I got Christmas gifts. We got it. We got the goods. Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. Well, Apple Watch Series X is a little bit different, or 10, whichever. I don't know why they didn't call it Apple Watch Series X, because it would have made more sense if they would have called it that, but they didn't. And my mom's Apple Watch was a Series 4, not a Series 5, like I thought it was. So it opens up like this. If you've never got an Apple Watch, you have two little boxes. This is the watch band, and then this is the watch, of course. So we're going to set the watch band to the side, set the paper stuff to the side, and then just like the iPhone, we have pull tabs again. So we got the pull tabs with the moment of silence, of course, so we can go that. Yes. All right. This is my second watch unboxing because we did the other one in the Apple store. You get your paperwork, and then you get the watch. I noticed one thing right immediately. This watch is thinner than my original one. And then of course when you get the color, it comes with the actual colored paper, which is nice, and stuff like that. Doesn't really matter which way you tear it off because it is paper. And then here's the actual watch. So you have to do the watch puck, which I'll put the watch to the side right now, and then put this back together like this. I'll put this box over here. We do this. The watch band. All you do is just slide your finger over. It does that. You can open it and pull it out like this. And it just pulls out like a little pamphlet. But there you go. Then I'll just put this watch together by just taking these pull tabs a little apart, like so. And then put the watch together, which I'm going to do off camera. And then I'm going to get it set up with the phone. Okay, so I got the Apple Watch put on. We're
close. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. A photo of an Apple Watch. Continue.
Continue. Then I'll launch my watch app.
Good
evening.
Set up for myself.
Set up for myself.
Hold Apple Watch. Align it with the viewfinder above.
And then just like that, Apple Watch is pairing. So there you go.
Your Apple Watch is paired.
I noticed that the band, it's the same band I got, but now all I have to do is only 2 notches, and then it's locked in real nice and tight on my wrist. The other thing is this watch is a lot thinner. It's thinner and it's more bassier. And then just like that, VoiceOver has a bug where when I click continue, it did not actually select it and continue. So that's kind of fun. And of course, if you've set up an Apple Watch before, you have these features here with the back, the emergency SOS, fall detection, and of course all this fun stuff. Then you just hit continue. Well, we were successful, which is nice. Done.
Welcome to Apple Watch.
Welcome to Apple Watch. And we'll just go home. And then so the battery's at 85%. All right. So I know you can play music on this watch. I'm not gonna play music for mine personally, but I will get into this. So here's your little thing. You now get a braided USB-C to Apple Watch puck, which is really nice, and it's metal. The actual puck is so premium now, which is better than what I got when I had the Series 6. It was a lot better than that, so that's nice. I don't know if I'll use it because I have already an Apple Watch, but the actual puck. But this was my little unboxing experience. So now my purchases at Apple this year have been completed. We're now over $3,000 later, almost $4,000. So yeah, I am over purchasing things from Apple. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. My bank account is still crying in the corner. I got $50 for the Apple Watch Series 4 and $85 for the Series 6. So that's not including taxes. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in a future video or live stream. Peace.